In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Snapchat AI feature. Now, what you want to do is open up Snapchat. And the only way to get the Snapchat AI is if you subscribe to Snapchat Plus. And to get Snapchat Plus, you click on the profile, and I'm currently subscribed, so it won't give me an option to resubscribe again because I'm already a member. But if you're not a member, you will just need to click on Snapchat Plus, and basically you will get something like, first they will tell you what the year plan is, which basically comes out around $3. But if you click underneath that, like see more plans, then you will be able to select a monthly option. And the monthly option is around €4.39 per month. And basically with that, you get the Snapchat AI and some other cool features that you can use. But the one that you were interested in, you get the AI and you can message with the AI and it's going to respond back and things like that. So there you have it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.